Gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream.
Hi, lovely Frosty fam. It's me, Karen Frost, here at Nail Decadence. I've just got a really quick video for you. I have no idea why or how, but this video should have gone up a long time ago when I got these brushes, and I can't believe I totally just it didn't get around to being posted. I was going through my archives and I found this video and I was like, oh, how did I not get this video up? Anyway, so this video is from quite some time ago when I first got my SBD London brushes, the Acrylic brushes. So I got the size 12 and the size 14, and it's just a quick video to show you how to prep them. When brushes arrive, they come with sort of a starch which holds them in place to keep their shape in transit. This needs to be removed before you use it for the first time. Really important to remove it before you use it for the first time. So give it a good dunk in some monomer, really wash it out and wipe it on the kitchen towel, you know, a good few times. It's really important to get that stuff out, is all I'm saying. Just get that stuff out. So give it a good few dunks and a rinse, and then wipe it on your kitchen roll. And then when you are finished with that monomer from dipping your brush in it to clean it, throw that monomer away by pouring it onto your kitchen roll. Use your kitchen roll to wipe out your dish and then put in new monomer to start your set. What you don't want to do is use that same monomer that you've used to rinse your brushes on your nails. That's a big no-no. Don't do that, because the impurities from that starchy substance that they put in to hold the bristles in shape isn't good for your acrylic nails. So just bear that in mind. Never keep that monomer. Always get rid of it. And the safest way to get rid of monomer is never ever to pour it down the drain. Please don't ever do that. Pour it onto some kitchen roll, let that kitchen roll saturate it and soak it up, and then throw it in the bin. Okay, just put it in your bin outside, because obviously monomer smells, so you don't want to keep the bin inside, and unless you've got a lid for your bin. But also be careful that it's not completely airtight, because that can also be a problem. I don't know how much people know about monomer and stuff, but if it's in an airtight container in some kitchen roll, it can actually cause a mild explosion kind of thing. So yeah, don't keep it in an airtight bin, but a bin with a lid that isn't totally airtight, it's perfectly fine. So not trying to scare anyone, but there are weird things that happen with these chemicals, because at the end of the day, these are chemicals we're using. Yeah, so just bear that in mind. I encourage everyone who uses acrylic and stuff to do their research on the products they're using. It's really important that you know the chemistry. So I'm just going to quickly show you the kind of size of beads that you can pick up with these brushes. And as you can see, with the 14, I can get a larger bead than I can with the 12. And that is it. That is all you need to do to prep your brush. So that's it. Quick video from me, hey. And by the way, I've been using these brushes for a long time. They're still going strong and I still love them to bits. I've left a couple of photos to show you the conditions of the brushes, what they look like now in March 2021, and I purchased them back in December 2019. That's all I got for this time, peeps. You take care now, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye for now.
Someday soon, I'm gonna make it.